In this video, we learn how to freeze multiple columns in Excel program. So first of all, select all the sheet by Ctrl A and go to View, go to Freeze Panes. So first of all, unfreeze all the columns. Now if you want to freeze some columns like A and B, so just select next column. So in here the C, so select this one, go to View, Freeze Panes and click on Freeze Panes. So now we will see A and B are freeze. So by this easy method you can freeze multiple columns in Excel program. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.